Good afternoon, boys. We're going to segment or break apart words into the sounds that we hear in those words. When I say a word, I want you to tell me each sound you hear as you touch a felt square. Let's do the word mean. The big dog is very mean. Watch as Mr. Gibson does that word. Mean. M-E-N. Very good. Let's do that together. Mean. M-E-N. J1, can you do that word? Mean. M-E-N. Very good job. Let's do the word Chuck. Chuck is my best friend. Chuck. Watch as Mr. Gibson does that word. Ch. All right, let's do that word together. Chuck. Fingers ready. Begin. Ch. Very good. Tyrese, can you do Chuck? Very good. Let's do the word phone. I got a new phone. Phone. Ready? Begin. O-N. Very good. Kevin, can you do phone? O-N. Very good.